The eKey app has an alert feature that allows you to send a notification with the touch of a button. To turn on the alert feature, on your computer, go to supraekey.com and select the Supra Web button. Log in to Supra Web. Select eKey Alerts. Select Enable Service. Enter the name and email addresses of up to 3 contacts. To send messages via text, follow the instructions on the screen. Enter the message. Press the Save button. Once you have completed this setup, the Alert button is active and ready for use. Now, anytime you want to send an alert notification, press and hold the Alert button for 3 seconds. The message you entered is sent to your contacts. This feature must first be enabled by your association, board, or MLS.